Hi, and welcome to Happy Sewing. In this tutorial, we will do something fun and get rid of some scrap fabric at the same time by making this sewing machine cover. We will make a cover for my sewing machine, a Husqvarna Opal 650. We start by taking measurements. We measure all four sides. I took my measurements and made a pattern that you can use to make your cover. For those interested, I will tell you more about it towards the end of the video. The tools we are going to use are scissors for cutting, glue for stabilization, and pins. The fabric we use is a stiff fiber fabric. It's time to get to work, and we start by cutting the two side panels. If you are using my pattern, make sure to cut the side panel against the fold. Make sure to place the pieces against the machine to make sure that the size is somewhat correct. We are going to make a fold at the bottom, so this is good. We then cut two front pieces and two back pieces, a pocket piece, and a top piece. We start with the pocket panel, and we make a fold to save the pocket opening from ripping. Actually, we are going to fold it twice to give it a nice lip. We then apply pins to keep the fold exactly like this when we sew it. When the fold is made, we make the pocket panel over the front piece. We are going to stitch the pocket and the front piece together here and here. We are making this pocket into three smaller pockets by adding dividers here and here. So we are going to sew these seams at the same time as we sew the pocket piece to the front piece. We sew the pocket on the front piece, and we sew the dividers at the same time. With the front piece and the pocket in place, we attach the two side panels with pins and sew them. We have to make sure that the stripes are perfectly aligned all the way around. We are only missing the top and back panel on the sewing machine cover. The easiest way to do this is to sew the top panel in place before we do the back piece. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to do the back panel now and do the top piece at the end. It was very hard and it didn't leave a good result, so please sew the top panel before you do the back panel. Here is me sewing the top panel in place. The alignment is tricky, and the result is okay, but when I sew a new machine cover, I will save myself from a lot of work and do it in the right order. That's it! Here is a sewing machine cover. If you want to check out the pattern, please check out the link in the description. Thank you for watching. See you again soon, and happy sewing!